Hello guys, and you are again welcome to my channel NB Allrounder. Today I am going to show you a simple trick to install the Cleo cheats in GTA Vice City without root, and you can install it safely. And first of all I will tell you that our credits of this mod goes to Royal Gamer because these scripts are made by Royal Gamer. So special thanks to Royal Gamer. So let's get started. In the description, I will give you 3 MEDIAFIRE links to install the files. These are the 3 links. The first one will be for Lollipop or KitKat. The second one will be for Marshmallow. And the third one will be for Nougat or Nougat Plus. My device is Nougat, so I will install the third link. So just copy this URL. Copy and then just go to your Google and paste it here, and then tap on search button and automatically one page will load. Just click on this download button. I already downloaded, so I will not download it. If your device is other example Lollipop or KitKat or Marshmallow, you can install the second or first link. The method is same to install all the files. My device is Nougat, so I have installed the Nougat file. Then just go to your ES file explorer or Z-Archiver, or you can use any extractor. And then just go to your internal storage. After that, go to your download folder. And here will be a folder named GTA VC Cleo by Royal Gamer. This is my folder. Just long press on it. And then here will be a 3-dot button. Just tap on it. And then tap on extract to. And then just click on OK. After that, it will ask you for a password. The scripts are made by Royal Gamer, so the password is, guys, sorry for the background noise. So the password will be Royal Gamer. It will be all letters in capital and it will be without space. Then just tap on OK. And after that your folder will be extracted. After extracting, here will be a folder named GTA VC Cleo. Just go to it and just go to this folder. And here are our 2 folders. Don't touch anything here, just go back. And here, go to your Android section. And just go to your OBB section. Here will be a folder. Guys, for this you already need GTA Vice City. You can see my video of how to download GTA Vice City for free without root. I will give the link in the description if you want to download GTA Vice City. So guys, here will be a folder named com.rockstargames.gtavc. Just long press on it and then tap on rename button. And you can add anything here. Example, I am adding ZZ. You can add anything. After that, don't touch anything there. And then just uninstall your original APK. Guys, I will not uninstall it because I have already done this process. Sorry for that. After that, after uninstalling, guys, you need to compulsory uninstall the original APK. Then only your mod will work. Please guys, watch the full video. It is 100% working. After renaming, guys, remember this. You need to rename the OBB folder of GTA Vice City. Again go, after uninstalling and renaming, again go to your ES file explorer or any archiver. And then just go to your internal storage. Go to your download folder and go to the GTA VC Cleo folder. Just tap on this APK and then tap on install. I have already done the process. Sorry guys, I am telling it again and again. So I will not install it, but you need to install it. After installing, just copy this folder and go back and go to your Android section and then click on data folder, not the OBB folder, just the data folder, and then just paste it here. I will not paste it because I have done this process already. After pasting, you need to go back. You don't need to launch the APK now. First of all, again go to your Android section. Then go to your OBB folder which you have renamed first. And guys, this is our folder which we have renamed. Just correct it. I have put ZZ, so I will take it out. After that, now clear this from the multiple windows. Now I will show you the proof that it is working. Now our process is completed. See guys, here is written Cleo Android 4th May. You can start a new game, but I am resuming the game. See guys, it is written Cleo Android. To activate the Cleo menu, just swipe up from down like this way and your Cleo menu will work. To spawn anything, you just tap in middle. Now you can spawn any car. To spawn a car, just tap on middle. See guys, our car is spawned. And in this way you can get so many options here. In the cheats option there are so many cheats. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.